Hey everyone, welcome to Neural Review. Today we are reviewing the Realme 15 Pro 5G.
This is Realme's mid-range flagship killer of 2026. Let's see if it's worth buying.
Starting with the design, the Realme 15 Pro looks premium with a sleek glass back.
It feels lightweight and comfortable in hand with curved edges. Available in 3 beautiful colors: Nebula Blue, Shadow Black, and Pearl White. The build quality is solid with IP65 dust and water resistance.
Now let's talk about the display. It has a massive 6.78-inch AMOLED screen. The display supports 120Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. Colors are vibrant and brightness goes up to 2000 nits. Perfect for outdoor use.
Under the hood, it's powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor.
Combined with up to 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, it handles multitasking smoothly.
Gaming performance is impressive. It runs BGMI and Genshin Impact at high settings.
Moving to camera, it features a 50MP main Sony sensor. Daylight photos are sharp with excellent color accuracy.
Ultra-wide and macro cameras also deliver good results. Low-light performance is decent but not the best in class. Video recording goes up to 4K 60 FPS with good stabilization. Battery department is strong with a huge 6000 mAh battery. It easily lasts 1.5 days with heavy use.
80W fast charging is included in the box. It charges from 0 to 100% in just 38 minutes.
Software is Realme UI 6.0 based on Android 16. It comes with 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. Clean interface with some useful AI features. Now let's talk about the pros of Realme 15 Pro 5G.
Excellent display, fast charging, and strong performance.
Good design and value for money. Cons: average low light camera and average speakers. Also, heating issue appears during heavy gaming. So who should buy the Realme 15 Pro 5G?
Students, gamers, and people who want great performance under budget.
Overall, it's one of the strongest mid-range phones in 2026. I give Realme 15 Pro 5G 8.7 out of 10.
It offers flagship-level experience at a mid-range price.
If you are looking for a balanced smartphone, this is a great choice.
Thank you for watching Neural Review. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Comment below which phone you want us to review next. See you in the next video.